What a way to spend the night camping right here in the Blue Mountains. Absolutely love this spot and right on the doorstep of Sydney.
Well, welcome to the Upper Blue Mountains, mate. It doesn't get any better than this.
And all dotted through here are these different trails, walking trails, hiking trails, running trails.
There's so many of them. There's hundreds of kilometres.
Now, it's time to follow the river down to the Hawkesbury. Hey, Joe. Obviously surrounded by everyone's favourite vegetable, the kale.
Kale, yep.
Do you like kale? These eggplants have got me really excited. I think I've got a cracker recipe that I want to cook up this afternoon. But before we do, we're going to check out some pasture-raised pigs. Get yourself a mate there, Matt.
I do.
Hey?
I do, friend for life. And see why I've got no shoelaces on my shoes.
No plough needed. Hey mate, I'd love to grab a couple of mullet and chuck them in the esky if that's all right.
Yep, no problem.
I've managed to wrangle myself a little bit of a houseboat, so I'm going to jump on that, go for a little putt around and enjoy the Hawkesbury. Morning, Paul.
Hello, mate. Welcome aboard.
How good is the Hawkesbury? Wow, I tell you, surrounded by nature, nice calm river, blue skies, and of course on the houseboat. Well, cooking locations don't get more relaxed or calming than right now, sitting on the Hawkesbury River. And the dish I'm about to cook, it's got a little bit of pep. That's the colour we're looking for. These slices are actually going to help the sauce and just drizzle it over the top of the fish. Here you go, mate.
Thank you,
Tuck into that.